You know what? This Facebook makes your face look drunk. Yeah, funny enough, these teeth are not mine, because the original image didn't have any. So whose teeth are those? I really like the idea of it. A canvas business. We want to actually improve. So if you just pop a code in it. Yes, that's what it does. Canvas. Okay. You have to mention canvas, apparently. So if this code is the same. Okay. Have 67 lines. Okay. That's promising. I think there's a limit of the size of this thing. So, and we have suggestions of a code review port to another language, which is interesting. Very interesting. Java is interesting. What else? Fixing bugs is interesting. So let's just try that. Okay, it's doing something. Replacing comments, or what updates did you make? Can you place a comment in the code of what was changed? 65. It's 2 lines less. Yeah, can you review the code again? So is it currently only looking at only finding silent bits in the video, or something else as well? And writing much faster as well. So currently we're just finding silent bits and splitting the long video into chunks, with the silent bits being removed. Is that okay? Does it do anything else at the moment? How hard would it be to also look if there is something changing on the screen, in the video, or not? And how would you go about actually using that information? Would it make the code run much slower? So what's the time benefit analysis versus making the code more complicated, and the potential improvement in the output video files? Yeah, we have very long videos though, so frame by frame processing doesn't make sense. Then this canvas bit works. Open canvas. It's weird that you can just you can copy paste into it. What are the options? This is, so before we're doing code, now we just have this random, not random, something that we need to write. So if you select, how does that work? Consider adding a sentence about the type of content you produce. Can you apply? Biomedical signal provider, yes. Open source tool, live development session, that's correct. What? Can't keep editing forever. Well, as any code. The problem with this that I cannot add emojis. No, we don't want emojis. What's final Polish? What is the current reading level? High school? College? Let's make it college. Okay, this is better, but why are you keeping the... Wait a sec. To understand... Wait. Reading level. Let's do it again. Let's go college. Let's make it college. But it keeps adding this stuff. Hey, can you remove the headlines? I don't like the headlines. Okay. Right. Yeah, well, this one I can actually use. I never understood invaluable. Can you explain invaluable and how is it valuable? Yeah, that's actually pretty good. I don't know if it can handle a longer... Yeah, so we have this code as well. So, and it will have a different menu bar for code. Yeah, the editing is... The IDE is nice. I mean, you can't execute in it. Let's do another code review. So making some suggestions. Wait, is it deleting them? Ah, you can just get rid of them. You cannot regenerate. Well, I deleted 2. Will it bring them back? Yeah, so it brought back exactly the same suggestions. Yeah, so as you guess, it's meant to be editing new videos for us. So it's saying, for example, that using np and numpy, a mean function on RMS could be computationally inefficient for larger chunks. Consider optimizing this calculation or using more direct method. So I don't understand if I... Oops. Right. That's why that actually did work. But then it's also opening the shortcut menu, shortcut. This is a bug. OpenAI. That's an obvious bug. To do bug bounties. The shortcut, it will take control / to comment something out, but this is also a shortcut for showing shortcuts. Which this it's really confusing. It's like a circular thing. So this shortcut is not included in the keyboard shortcuts for ChatGPT, but in the code editor it's actually commenting out code. But generally in ChatGPT this same keyboard combination does something else. It's actually opening the window, the list of shortcuts. The other thing, does it do like... No. So it's not like GitHub Copilot that will just generate the code. The thing about it that I don't like, that if we're trying to consider optimizing calculation or using more direct method, yeah, it's changing the whole code. Why? What did you actually do? Okay, we used to have... I have a feeling... right, we have numpy mean. Now we're just using librosa feature RMS. So if we optimize the RMS value calculation using direct method, reducing computational overhead. So I'm just curious. If we're changing it to the browser, then we don't need the numpy, do we? I think. Not entirely sure how to work with this thing.